Hello everyone, myself Sally King from Viva Institute of Technology pursuing Bachelor of Engineering degree in Computer Science. A project is on face recognition attendance marking system created by my two project partners Saurabh Hadde and Vishal Dasar. The problem statement of our project is the attendance marking in a classroom during a lecture is not only burden but also time consuming task. Due to the unusual large number of students present in the lecture hall, there is always a possibility of proxy attendance. The growing need of efficient and automatic technique of attendance marking is a growing challenge in the area of face recognition. So, designing a student attendance management system based on the face recognition and fast identification that manage records for attendance in an institute. Generally, face recognition technology has improved dramatically in their performance over the past few years, and this technology is now widely used for various purposes such as for security and for commercial applications. Attendance of every student is being maintained by schools and colleges. The manual attendance record system is inefficient and more time is required to record as well as calculate the attendance of each student. So the use of face recognition for the purpose of attendance marking is a smart way of attendance management system. According to the system architecture, the proposed automated attendance management system uses a face recognition algorithm. When the students enter the classroom, the system starts identifying the faces of each student. The system detects the faces and extracts facial characters of the student. The extracted facial characters will be compared with the database trained image. If the faces of a student is matched with the facial characters stored in the trained database, then the attendance for the respective students get marked in an Excel sheet. Over here comes the initial GUI for an administrator who is an authenticated person for the system. For example, a teacher. If the user is an authenticated, then the main GUI comes up where the user can add student if not there an Excel sheet. Otherwise, for starting the system, the user has to click on detect image button. Here is a small implementation of our project. This is a trained data set. Generally, user logging the system using a login button with a valid username and a password. On logging successful, a main GUI comes up where a teacher can add a student if he is not there in an Excel sheet. Otherwise, directly click on the Take Image button to start the system. Once clicking on the Take Image button, the system gets started and start capturing the images of the student present in the classroom. Here, the two students are present in the frame, Akshay and Saili, which are get identified in the frame, and they are get marked in an Excel sheet. There is an Excel sheet where you can see that Saili and Akshay are get marked with the current date. Firstly, in the confidence, we can view that the confidence is more than 80% of our two ID images, which is very nice. And this is the final updated attendance sheet. Initially, as you can see, the image was this, and after detection, the images are this. The attendance Excel sheet screenshot is as shown, where the student's attendance get marked with the current date. So, moving towards the conclusion of our project, an automated attendance marking and management system is necessary tool for many organizations such as for school, colleges, office, etc. Most of the existing systems are much time consuming and require manual work. This proposed system has overcome the drawback of all existing systems by making the use of face recognition technique. In that, video frame is given as input through which person face is detected and attendance are marked. Each and every entry is updated in an Excel sheet in order to use in future. And this system makes use of new printing technology to effectively perform the day-to-day activities. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.